Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Emily and today I have for you a quick 5-minute sequence, perfect for those who are short on time. Maybe you want to get a bit of practice in today and you've only got 5 minutes, so this is perfect for you. 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes. So whenever you're ready, we'll get started. Standing at the top of our mats with the toes together, maybe the heels come together as well. And as we inhale, we'll bend the knees, sink the hips back, and we'll come into our chair pose. The arms come in line with the ears. The belly and ribs are pulling in, the core is engaged. And we'll hold here for a moment. Nice deep breaths. On our exhale, we'll dive forwards, coming into a forward fold, taking the arms back behind. Inhaling, we'll sweep the arms back up into our chair. Exhale, diving forwards, we'll fold again, taking the arms up, back behind. Inhale, sweeping up. Last time, exhale, folding forwards, sweeping those arms behind. Inhaling, coming back to our chair. One more breath. Exhaling, we can step that left foot back into our warrior one. Arms stay in line with the ears. Hips square to the top of our mats. And the belly and ribs pull in. Deep breaths into your belly. We have a nice bend in that front knee. One more breath. Exhaling, we can bring both the hands down to the mat, gently dropping that back knee down and untucking the toes, coming into our low lunge. Lifting yourself up. Again, we'll create some energy with some arm circles. Inhaling, circling the arms up. Exhaling, circling behind. Inhaling, lift. Exhaling. Last time, inhale, reach. Exhaling. Hands can come to rest on the top of that thigh. One more breath. Exhaling, we'll bring both the hands down to the mat, tucking the back toes under, lifting that knee, and we'll step it back to our downward facing dog. And we can take a moment to paddle the feet here, stretch out the legs. Inhaling, looking between the hands, we can walk, step, or jump the feet in between, coming into a half lift, nice flat back, fingertips to the mat or shins. Exhaling, folding it forwards, generous bend in the knees. Inhaling, sinking the hips back, taking the arms out and up, coming all the way up to standing. Exhale, hands come down in prayer. Then we'll do that on the other side. I'll just switch around so you can see. Inhale, sink those hips back, sitting in your chair. Exhale, step back the right leg, coming into our warrior one. Nice deep breaths. Again, those hips square to the front of the mat. One more breath. Exhaling, we can bring both those hands down to the mat, coming up onto the balls of the back foot and dropping the back knee down, untucking those toes, coming up to our low lunge. And then we'll add in our arm circles, creating energy in the body again. Inhale, we'll reach the arms up. Exhaling, circling behind. Inhaling, reach. Exhaling, behind. Last time, inhale. Exhaling. Hands can come to rest on top of the thigh for a breath. Exhaling, planting both the palms into the mat. Tuck the back toes under, lift that back knee. We'll step it back to our downward facing dog. And we can paddle the feet again here. One more breath. Inhaling, looking between the hands. We can walk, step, or jump the feet in between, coming back to our half lift. Nice flat back. Exhaling, folding it forwards, belly to thighs. Inhale, sinking the hips back, taking the arms out and up, coming all the way up to standing. Exhale, hands come down in prayer. Beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that little sequence. Hopefully you got what you needed. Hopefully we're feeling a bit more energetic. If so, please like the video, leave a comment in the comments below. And most importantly, please subscribe to my channel for more free yoga content. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.